Hey everybody, Cassie here with On Point Holistic Marketing, and I was creating a Facebook event with the new Facebook desktop, and it's different. So I thought maybe I should wait and do a tutorial for all of you guys. So it's not reflexology focused because it's just an event that I wanted to get up quickly, and I thought I need to help you guys know what to do. So let's follow along here. I am an admin on this Facebook page. So when I go to the Facebook page, this is now what I see. I have my manage page information all along the side, and then here is the regular part of the thing. I have already actually clicked on events. So I should back up and say that I guess there was my home page, and then I did click on events. So now I can use the create event button. That still works pretty similar. And then you get this, and I want to make sure that you see here on the column over here on the side, this is where you start the editing process. You can't type on any of these things over here, and you got to start with the side thing. So let's hit create, and I'm just gonna type in my location, and it's not going to show up in this. If you are having an event in a location that will show up with an actual address, you definitely want to click on it, but mine will not. I do not have an online event, so I do not want to check that, but that is a nice option that if you're going to go do, you can see here, if you're going to do a Facebook Live, or if you're linking to somewhere else where you're going to go have your host it, like if you have it on Zoom or something like that, you can link that. So anyway, that's all super nice options. And I'm just going to paste my information here. Okay, so I clicked on the date and got my date. And then we'll type in the time. When I type in the 6, it automatically gives me the AM and PM options. And we'll just leave it empty. Okay, I do not have a photo at this time, but I would highly recommend you have a photo ready. And then you need to pick your category, which I always kind of feel like these are never quite great for reflexology events, but there's a few options in there you can always pick from. If you have a link to buy tickets or things like that, you can do it. You can type in all of these things. You know, I'm not organizing this event, so I don't even know if it's kid friendly. I'll have to find out about that thing. But anyway, you know, just go through these and check what's appropriate. And let's show you here, you can save it as a draft, or you can schedule it if you don't want it to go live right now. And I'm going to go ahead and just make mine live, and we'll hit create. Now, again, I think this would be better with an image, but we're working with what we have right now, and it's easy enough to upload a photo from your computer when you have an image later. Just show you that here. Got a few options there, but if I need to go in and edit it, pops up over here to the side just like it did before, and I can go in and edit this, make any other changes, change my description if I needed, click update again, and that's it. Super simple, just totally confusing to get started because it's not at all like we're used to. So anyway, looking forward to seeing you guys getting some events out there. Hopefully maybe even some of you can do some World Reflexology events coming up, and get some new people interested in reflexology.